2026 Aygo Cross has received a mid-life cycle refresh and now equipped with hybrid tech, sharper styling, and a new GR Sport variant. The GR Sport is visually distinguished by the special 18-inch alloy wheels, a different grille with a honeycomb pattern and faux intakes, and a few GR emblems inside and out. The new Aygo Cross also gets a new center console with wireless charging and redesigned air conditioning controls. The 9-inch touchscreen is new, as is the 7-inch digital instrumentation, an electronic parking brake, and 2 USB-C charging ports. Further emission savings have been achieved by using recycled plastic and fabrics for new seat upholstery materials. Equipment also includes an upgraded Toyota Safety Sense ADAS suite that will continue improving through over-the-air software updates. Speaking the powertrain, the naturally aspirated 1-liter unit has been replaced by a larger 1.5-liter engine with a single electric motor. It produces 114 horsepower and 144 newton-meters of torque, an increase of 43 horsepower over its predecessor. Power is transmitted to the front wheels via an e-CVT gearbox. The new engine fits thanks to the Aygo Cross's GAB platform, also used by the Yaris and Yaris Cross. Even so, Toyota had to stretch the front overhang by 76 millimeters, pushing the total length to 3,776 millimeters, while the wheelbase remains the same at 2,430 millimeters. Underneath, the GR Sport gets a revised chassis setup with retuned coil springs and dampers, plus sharper steering calibration. Furthermore, the market launch is scheduled for the end of the year in Europe and the UK, with pricing to be announced at a later date.